The best birthday gift ever. Hi, my name is Sara, and this year, my birthday turned out to be the most magical day of my life. It wasn't just about the cake, the candles, or the celebration. It was about a surprise that I never expected but will cherish forever. The birthday celebration. The day started like any other birthday. My friends and family had planned a small gathering at my favorite cafe. The decorations were beautiful, with fairy lights, balloons, and my favorite flowers on every table. My best friend, Alex, was there too, as he always has been, making sure everything was perfect. The unexpected moment. As the evening went on, we cut the cake, took lots of pictures, and shared stories. But little did I know, Alex had something else planned. After everyone sang "Happy Birthday," he stood up, raised his glass, and said, "I have something to say." I thought it was just a sweet toast, but then he turned to me, his face serious but soft. "Sara, you've been my best friend for so many years. You know me better than anyone, and I can't imagine my life without you. So, on your special day, I want to ask you something that could make it special for both of us." He reached into his pocket and pulled out a small box. My heart stopped. Everyone around us fell silent. The proposal. He got down on one knee and opened the box to reveal the most beautiful ring I had ever seen. "Will you marry me?" he asked, his voice steady but full of emotion. For a moment, I couldn't believe what was happening. Tears filled my eyes as I nodded and whispered, "Yes." The entire room erupted in cheers and applause. It was a moment straight out of a dream. How I felt. I can't even describe the happiness I felt. Alex had been my rock, my confidant, and my partner in crime for so long, but I never thought he saw me as more than a friend. To know that he felt the same way, that he wanted to spend his life with me, was the best gift I could have ever received. The celebration continues. After the proposal, the party turned into a celebration of love. My friends and family hugged us, congratulated us, and even joked about how long it took Alex to confess his feelings. We danced, laughed, and created memories that I'll treasure forever. A new beginning. That night, as I lay in bed, staring at the ring on my finger, I couldn't stop smiling. My birthday had always been special, but this one was unforgettable. I had said yes to my best friend, the person who knew all my quirks and loved me anyway. Life feels different now, brighter, happier, and full of possibilities. I can't wait to see where this journey takes us. But one thing I know for sure. I'll be walking it with my best friend by my side. What about you? Have you ever had a moment where your world changed in the blink of an eye? Let me know your story. I'd love to hear it.